Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn one of the most easiest concept, that is matrix norm. How to find one norm and infinity norm, I am going to explain step by step. First, let us consider the given set of matrix. Solution given A equal to matrix 7, 1, 8, 4, 5, 8, 10, 4, 2. Okay, considering this matrix, we are going to find one norm and infinity norm. First, let us find one norm. That is one norm or column norm. To find this one, that is norm A1. Norm A1, which is equal to, you need to add column wise. That is modulus 7 plus modulus 4 plus modulus 10. Next we have modulus 1, modulus 5. Okay, represent maximum. Maximum, you are supposed to represent maximum. You represent maximum. Maximum of the matrix. Plus modulus 4. Next modulus 8, modulus 8, modulus 2. Okay, done. See, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 10, 21. Next 6, 10. Next you have 8 plus 8, 16, 20. Okay, in this you are supposed to represent maximum. Maximum of, see, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. Next we have 6, 10, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Which is the maximum? That is 21 is the maximum. Similarly, let us find infinity norm. Second one, infinity norm or row norm. To find row norm, we have norm A infinity, which is equal to maximum of, you need to add row wise, that is modulus 7 plus modulus 1 plus modulus 8. Next modulus 4, modulus 5 plus modulus 8 plus modulus 10, modulus 4 plus modulus 2. Use the calculator so that there will be no silly mistakes and you get row. Since I am going to represent rows, I am going to represent it in the row form. Okay, 7 plus 1 plus 8, you get 16, comma, next 4 plus 5 plus 8, you get 17. Next, the last we have 10 plus 4 plus 2, you get 16. Okay, the maximum is 16. This much is only the result to represent the what matrix. Okay, not 16, sorry, not 16, 17. The maximum is 17. Sorry, this much is only the solution which you are supposed to represent the matrix norms of one norm and infinity norm. In one norm, you are supposed to add column wise, that is modulus 7, 4, 10. You get 21, and 1, 5, 4, you get 10, 8, 8 plus 2, you get 16. Similarly, sorry, 18. Next, infinity norm represent a row norm. Norm A infinity, which is equal to maximum of 7 plus 1 plus 8, you get 16. 4 plus 5 plus 8, you get 17. 10 plus 4 plus 12, you get 16. Which is maximum? That is 17. 17 is the maximum. In column norm, you get 21 maximum number, and in row norm you get 17 as the maximum number. I hope you have understood the matrix norm of the given set of matrix, that is A. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.